What's up guys, I'm Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video I'll be showing you top 5 Cydia tweaks for iOS 10.2 Yalu jailbreak. So let's begin. So this tweak number 1 is called as Toucher. Now basically Toucher allows you to turn your physical home button into a capacitive button. So usually you have to press the home key to get to the home screen, but with this tweak installed you just need to tap your finger onto the fingerprint scanner and you are done. So in order to get the multitasking tray, you just need to tap twice on the fingerprint scanner to get to the multitasking tray and just tap and hold on the fingerprint scanner to lock the device. Once the device is locked, you can just tap and hold to unlock a device. You don't need to press your home button with this tweak installed. So this next tweak is called as BuyAProduct. Now this is something Apple should install or put in their iOS system by default, but anyways we have jailbreak to do so. So as the name suggests, BuyAProduct. BuyAProduct allows you to lock applications and folder using your Touch ID. So usually in iOS, as we know, the only security we have is of the lock screen, but with the help of BuyAProduct you can actually lock applications and folders and also settings and the setting preferences with the help of BuyAProduct. So once again, the name of this application is BuyAProduct, and once again of course you need to be jailbroken in order to get this tweak. So there are a couple of settings inside BuyAProduct which we'll go through. So it also protects that preference pane, so you have the kill switch to enable and disable the same. You have the vibrate on error. You can also adjust the haptic feedback. You can also use passcode in case if the Touch ID does not recognize your finger, and also you have the list of applications to choose from, so you can enable any application for this tweak to actually go ahead and lock it. So the next tweak in the list is called Despicable. So in case if you have a device lower than iPhone 6s or the 6s Plus, this tweak will help you to install 3D Touch on your older devices. So in simple words, with Peekaboo installed, you will have the capability to use 3D Touch on an older iDevice. So in this case I have an iPhone 6 Plus. So with this tweak installed, I can actually enjoy the 3D Touch on my older iPhone. So the fourth tweak is called as Swype Selection. So Swype Selection is something that Apple actually copied from Cydia or Jailbreak, but nonetheless it's a really cool tweak. So say you type something and you make mistake, so you don't need to put your finger on the cursor to move it. You can simply use your thumb and you can swipe across the keyboard and you can adjust the cursor, and then you can accordingly cut, copy and paste various alphabets and characters. So if you type a sentence and you want to just make some changes in a particular word or alphabet, you can just use your thumb, swipe your finger across the keyboard, and then accordingly you can adjust the cursor, and you can actually use this tweak, which is a really handy tweak. Once again, the name of this tweak is called as Swype Selection. So this fifth and the last tweak is called as Flip Control Center. Now usually the control center in iOS is pretty stock. So if you want to turn off mobile data, you have to actually go into settings, but with this tweak installed you can actually turn on and off mobile data and also some other great switches directly from the control center. Now not only this, there are tons and tons of settings that you can play with yourself once you install this tweak. Once again, the name of the tweak is called as Flip Control Center. So you can change the number of toggles. You can keep it to 5 or maximum 6, so you will have 6 toggles in a row, and also you can go ahead and change the landscape per page, and also you can go ahead and just turn on the open to first page. So once you do that, whenever you pull up the control center, it will always open to the first row. Now you can also customize the bottom row, that is your flashlight, your clock, your calculator and the camera. So on and all these tweaks are really handy and I use them on a regular basis. So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Please do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, to subscribe and to follow me on Twitter. Thank you for watching. Peace out.